The share of electric vehicles in road traffic has been growing steadily for years. The goal is emission-free traffic. At the same time, electric vehicles have advantages. They're quiet, have hardly any wear and tear, a remarkable acceleration, and high ride comfort. It is clear that this will significantly increase the demand for high-performance charging points. After all, drivers have always been used to fuel stops lasting less than 5 minutes. High-power charging points with up to 520 amps, 350 kilowatts. They are currently the measure of all things. They can charge a vehicle's latest generation battery up to 80% in just 15 minutes. This makes electromobility suitable for long-distance travel and thus for everyday use by everyone. Faster charging times, however, mean significantly higher charging power. This generates a considerable heat load, especially on plugs and cables. Cooling the system and these particularly stressed components is therefore a key task in making the energy transition in the transport sector a success.
Network expansion for CO2-free mobility is essential for the climate agenda. Only nationwide and user-friendly charging concepts will create acceptance of e-mobility in all areas. We can expect that in a market with so much focus, the development of new technologies and improvements to previous processes will continue constantly. It's not just the number of charging points that needs to multiply, it's also about the speed of charging processes. And if high-power charging technology is state-of-the-art today, there will be an even better solution tomorrow. What will remain is physics. When electricity flows, heat is generated. The more electricity, the more heat. That's the price to pay for the necessary charging speed. And so, with efficient and application-oriented cooling solutions, Hyfra becomes the partner that enables the next generation of technology. We are proud to contribute to climate protection in this way. Of course, we also make sure that our own technology is as climate neutral as possible, starting with the choice of the best refrigerant to optimizing the energy efficiency of our systems in operation. The best solution for all of us can only be found if everything fits together.
Modular systems with intelligent liquid cooling based on an environmentally friendly water-glycol mixture or via air-water cooling take over the temperature control of the critical components. The low-maintenance chillers can be used in closed or semi-open systems. These simplify the regular maintenance of the circuits.
Charging stations are not used evenly. At times several cars are charged at the same time, a little later none at all. Therefore, the full cooling capacity is not needed permanently. Dynamic operation can be regulated via an intelligent control of the Hyfra flex system. This regulates the operation via the speed of the refrigeration system and reduces the energy consumption to a necessary minimum. One aspect that is likely to become very important in the future is noise emission. Network expansion will lead to locations of charging stations that are located in the immediate neighborhood of residential areas. Low noise cooling systems such as the Hyfra Sigma are leading the way here.